Welcome my dear student in a digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are discussing about chapter number 3, that is coordinate geometry. It is a combination of two words, coordinate and geometry. So it is a branch of geometry in which we are discussing about coordinates, and coordinates is represented by x and y as we have discussed already in previous class. So today I am going to take your exercise, that is 3.2. So let's start. So in 3.2 we have first question, write the answer of each of the following question. So let's take the first part. We have first part, what is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? So its answer is, when we are talking about two lines, horizontal and vertical lines, so you can write horizontal and vertical lines which divides the plane into four parts are called axes, and the name of horizontal line is x-axis or abscissa. Both is the name of x-axis. Keep in mind, sometime it is written x-axis, sometime horizontal axis, or you can say abscissa. These all three names belongs to x-axis. Next is your vertical axis, that is name of the vertical line is y-axis, or we can say its name is ordinate. Two name is there, ordinate or y-axis. So try to understand these all names by the help of diagrams. So let's see. As I told you, the two numbers lines which intersect each other, their name is axis, but we call them commonly, they are axis. So now the line which is horizontal line, that is called x-axis or abscissa. Now your vertical line is y-axis, or we can say its one more name is there, it is also called ordinates. I hope my dear student you are able to understand this first question. So let's take second part now. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? When these two lines are dividing a plane into four parts, what are the name of these four parts? So each part formed by these two lines, horizontal as well as vertical, is called quadrants. So let's see this question once again with the help of diagram. In this way, two axes are dividing a plane into four parts. First one is your quadrant number 1, second is quadrant number 2, third is quadrant 3rd, and quadrant 4. In this diagram it is very clear that the two axes, x-axis and y-axis, which dividing the plane into four parts, and the name of each part is quadrant. What is the name? Quadrant is the name. So let's take the third part. Third part is, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. So now what is the point in the center? That means where they are cutting each other. What is the name of that point? The point where these two lines intersect each other is called origin. Origin in center. So let's see, this is your origin. In the point, as I told you in the last class also, this is in the center, and sometime it is written here 0, single 0, but that is not 0, that is O representing origin, and in general here 2 times 0 will come because we have here two number lines. So I hope my dear student this question number 1 is clear to you. Thank you so much.